feel ready and oily. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be trying out some new products, new brand, new, like all new here on earth, new. When I'm like excited. I have the highest hopes, but like at the same time I'm like, don't get your hopes really high, and then you set the bar and the standards super high, and then like I have no idea what to expect. I mean, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. These products are from the Ravie beauty brand that ALLIE GLINES, who's a YouTuber, amazing, fantastic. You have to go check out her videos if you haven't seen them already. Just binge watch them all. They're that good. She has a makeup company now. Like, not just creating, collabing, what have you, with other companies. She, like, out of her own self, made a whole makeup company. Ravie Beauty. Their products look so beautiful. She only has 3 right now. They're all lippies. And you bet your buns I bought them all immediately after they came out. My computer lagged a little bit at first, and I almost panicked and freaked out, like worried I wasn't going to get them, but I got them. All 3 right here. There we go. I want to try them all. The packaging looks so cute. And then from the videos and pictures and things that she has posted and other people that I've seen have posted about it, it looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, bougie. These, I think I did the set. Does this say? No. I got all 3. I believe they're like $60 for all 3 of them. So about 20 some a piece. That is on the higher end of my okay price range for things. But knowing who she is, her background, and that this is like a brand new baby, just came earthside company, I really wanted to support her, and these items looked beautiful. So I splurged. And I've been doing really good all year, not really buying too many things. So these are going to be my things I'm buying and trying. So we're going to try them together. We'll see how they go. I do have a date tonight. We're going to go out to eat. We'll see how that goes. And I'm going to try these. I don't know which ones to try. I got this adorable little card. And with my teeny tiny little box. Look how itty bitty this little thing is. So small. But I got this, I mean, compared to like the 3 little things I got, tiny. But I got this cute little card on the back. It has a cute little message from ALLIE GLINES, and that's her right there. I love it. And this is supposed to be makeup made effortless, which, I don't know, just gives me all the confidence, doesn't it? So let's try these out. I got 3. The 3. I keep saying it like there's a ton. This is it so far. These are the babies. This is how we're doing it so far. They're called Effortless Lips. Do you have? Yeah, you do. And here are the names if you haven't seen it already. These are so cute. There's Lily, Tulip, and Dahlia. So let me, and they're only sealed on one side, so I'm just going to open the other side. Handy dandy little tweezers to pop these little bad boys open. There we go. Ooh. And it tells you, oh my gosh. I'm going to stop for a second and appreciate this. This is beautiful. Very sleek, very slim. I love that. Ravie Beauty. And on the bottom it tells you it's the shade Lily. And I wonder if that kind of gives you a hint of the color. Let me replay that for you. Like, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. We'll just do the back of my hand. Swatches. That is so pretty. For me, this is very much like a tan brown. I don't like to use the word nude, but for me, it's a nude. Look how pretty it is. It's supposed to be a sheer color. It looks very buildable from the videos, pictures, things I've seen. But that's very pretty, very soft. I love that. We don't have it sent to us. on to the next one. Ooh, this is the one. This is Tulip, the one. I don't know if this is the one for me tonight. Today. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that color. But again, it's meant to go on sheer. Ooh. I like that. That's pretty. On to the last one. The next one. The last one for now. I hope her business keeps growing because these are so pretty. They feel so bougie. Ooh. I like the order I accidentally did this in, from like lightest to darkest. Look at this. Oh, sorry. This is Dahlia. One. Oh, that's so pretty. This one is, so I have like a nude. Let me put this away before I like fling this somewhere, because I will. So we have like the nude, and that's Lily. Yeah, so Lily is more of a nude for me. The berry one for me is Tulip, and then this last one, Dahlia, is very mauve, which I love mauves. Oh my god. I have been trying to lean more red berry-y, and it's kind of been working, kind of hasn't been working. It's like a thing I'm working on, but these are all so pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna go with Tulip. Yeah, I'm going with Tulip. Tulip is happening. I'm gonna wear this tonight. Maybe do a check-in. This is soft. Wow. Oh, wow. I like this. This, and I know it's sheer. It feels like a chapstick or a lip balm. I'm going to take this off. I want to try in the other colors too. Let's see. Perfect. Take Tulip. I want to come in with Lily. This is so pretty. Imagine just like being out at like a cute little coffee house and just popping this out and this is nice. This feels very formal work. This actually really goes with my makeup super well, but I might have to wear this one tonight. I love this. This one is pretty. So the first one, Tulip, Dahlia, or Tulip, Lily, and let me come in with Dahlia right now. Let me wipe this off. This one is so smooth and so soft. Like, it hydrates my lips. My lips feel good even after taking it off. This is nice. Dahlia. Dahlia is very much my lips, but better. For me, anyway. I love this. I know I irritated my skin right here. That's okay. I might have to just leave this with Dahlia. This is beautiful. Oh. I don't know. I'm torn. These are all so soft though. Oh my gosh. Why? How? I have questions. Let me think about it. I feel like I'm going to go with my original choice of Tulip. We're going to wear this for the night, see how this goes. And what's really weird is after I take these off, my lips feel so good. Not like, okay, take it off, they're super dry, like I peeled off a layer of my soul that was there. I have to like re-nourish it, revitalize it. My lips feel great. Is that normal? I mean, I like it, but is that normal? So I came in with this Huda Beauty lip pencil. Do you have your shade name? Trophy Wife. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a lip contour in the shade Trophy Wife. And I'm going to come in with Tulip. I'm always like so scared. Like I'm going to pull too hard and like fling it. But look at that. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I love this. This is beautiful. It feels so nice. I'm doing this for the night. Yeah, this is good. These are the other colors. They did look super pretty, but I really want to go with this look and see how I do. My high hopes are now like reestablished up there at the highest points because this feels amazing. It goes on so well. It comes off easy. My lips feel great while I have it on and afterwards. Something's going on here. I want to know. I'm going to see how it wears though. We're going to check in later. For sure. Oh, before I go though, I want to know, did you guys end up picking this up? Did you get like the whole thing? She also has a really cute bag, but I have 1,000 bags and I'd feel so bad buying her bag and then just letting it sit around because I'm not going to use it. But I did buy all the lippies. I hope they're good. So far, so good. But let me know in the comments what you guys got, if you got anything or if you plan to. And we're going to do a check-in. This is lovely. So I went to dinner. I ate. It was delicious. This is what I'm left with. I don't know how well you can see it. I always get this down here because of my lips. I used to get it up here, but I've been like training. But anyway, this is all that's left of my Ravie Beauty Lippy. And I did stick with the shade Tulip. I'm going to reapply it now because my lips feel so good. Honestly, it wasn't like a big thing that I was missing any because my lips feel good. I look really weird, but my lips feel good. So let's reapply. This is so pretty. I love it. And like immediately, the softest, smoothest texture ever. I have to like redo my makeup to get rid of this on my chin. Anywho, this stuff is amazing. I don't know if you're planning on picking it up, but I really recommend you do. It's that good. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of my day, which is probably like another 3 hours. Reapply when needed, and then check in then. Because this stuff is so good. I love it. So I'm just gonna throw this out there. This whole Ravie Beauty stuff is so good. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Not only did it go on well, it's buildable, it's soft, it leaves my lips soft after I removed it, like trying it on, removing it, trying it on, removing it, phenomenal. Oh my gosh, never have I ever, like I guess if I don't even know if it would work that way if I tried on like lip balms or like chapstick, however you want to call it. So like nourishing. I want to say soothing, like nourishing for my lips themselves. These are great. Wore off during dinner, of course, because like I stuffed my face. The food was delicious. And then again, after it wore off, my lips were so soft. Reapplied. Didn't have any issues with the reapply. Didn't have any like different textures. Nothing. Been drinking, editing, hanging out, lazing. And look how good it's still, like, this is good. Just that one spot because that's me. This looks so good. And I'm pretty sure if I reapply over top of this again hours later, it's going to be great. ALLIE GLINES knew what she was doing. Knows what she's doing. Like, as much as it, like, each one of these is like $20 doll hairs. 20 plus doll hairs. As much as it like hurts me to say, well, it doesn't hurt me, it's gonna hurt my wallet. When she comes out with the rest of her collection, I will be purchasing it. Because if these little lippies are the beginning of what's to come, I have the highest hopes, the highest expectations, and nobody can sway me otherwise. Go ahead and try. It's not gonna work. You cannot tell me that these are not fantastic, phenomenal, amazing, good stuffs. The color names are so pretty too. Let me go over them one more time for you. There's Lily, there's Tulip, and there's Dahlia. Gorgeous. I love it. Wonderful. Beautiful. I feel like these will go with everything, and it's, at first I was like, the colors should have came out for like spring. But honestly, going into winter, I'm excited I have these for my lips. Not only do they look good, but they're also gonna make me feel good. And that's so important to me. So, so important. Like, don't get me wrong. If I need something to stay for hours on end, I'm gonna pull out my Kylie Jenner matte lips, my little lippy kits, because those will last forever. I need something to take those off. That's how long they last. But they don't feel good. These feel so good. And reapplying them, I feel so... Oh God, don't fall now. Reapplying these, I feel so bougie. Like, is this not like the prettiest? I like the packaging because it's like a gray blue color. And then bam, we have this like shiny gold. ALLIE GLINES knew what she was doing. I'm really happy that I ended up getting all of the first Ravie Beauty lippies. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna keep on with this, living my best life with my lippies on, and I'll catch you next time. Yeah. Bye.